My name is Eric DeWalt. I'm an engineer and project manager with Ridgewater, design and build firm based here in central Kentucky. We're standing in the middle of a creek on Southland Park and Clays Mill Elementary's property. This stream was restored in 2013. Before this, it was an eroding ditch, kind of overgrown and had some failing infrastructure on it. It's right next to a school, as you can tell. Clays Mill Elementary, and it's next to a park on this side. So it was a great opportunity to do a stream restoration project. So this restoration effort began when some folks from Fayette County Public Schools wanted to restore the stream. Specifically, Kelly Breeding was the advocate for this project. He's retired now, but he wanted to restore the stream in a natural setting, make it where kids could come out and play in a creek and sample bugs and fish and whatnot right next to their school. So Kelly started the project. He applied for a grant to the city of Lexington through their Stormwater Incentive Grant program. And they were awarded a design grant and then a construction grant. My role in the restoration is I served as the project manager for the design and build team to do the design, the permitting, and the construction. Worked with a lot of engineers, some folks from the University of Louisville, Stream Institute. They did a lot of the design work and the modeling, worked with landscape architects, biologists, native plant specialists at EcoGrow. Vision Engineering served as a surveying consultant, and just a lot of folks from the city involved. The biggest challenges, which worked out fine, were working with different landowners, working with both the school system and the Parks Department. But we had great support from both of those that it really went really smoothly. Everybody wanted the project. The other big challenge is working in a really tight corridor like this, where we've got a lot of existing infrastructure. We had to work around some bridges, put in a new culvert for a bridge. You can see there's a tennis court right here that butts up to it. There's a public pool right there, and of course the school's right over here. So kind of shoehorning the stream project in between all that was just a constraint that we had to deal with. Another challenge with the project is there was downstream flooding of houses that had occurred in the past before the project, and we wanted to help address that. So we helped attenuate some of that flooding by choking down the flow as it left the project with a culvert that was also a part of the bridge. So it's kind of a win-win-win project from that standpoint. What I would say to others that are interested in adopting a greenway or embarking on a restoration project, specifically stream restoration project, is find good partners that are knowledgeable, both with the city and in the private world. There's a lot of people that do this type of work, and it's helpful to find what they've done, and also go look at other projects that have been completed so you can see what's out there.